Alright, hey, what's up there, YouTube? Hey, I've seen a few videos on this, but I just like to cover it myself. This is getting a Dodge, 2018 Dodge, out of ship mode. So the first thing you want to do is turn your key on, all the way on. Don't start the vehicle, but you want it on to where the heating coils are starting to heat up. You want it to preheat. And then you want to turn your emergency flashers on. Okay, now you want to come over to your steering wheel and you want to hold the up arrow for 5 seconds. I just hold it until it stops saying ship mode. There you go. Your VSIM screen will come on. You turn your hazards off, turn your key off, you're done. It's that simple, folks. Hey, and if you'd like to check out a vid on wiring the VSIM, and idle up for the clutch pump that's going to go in this truck for being turned into a tow truck, I'll put a link in the description for that video.